The helmet is one of the most important safety measures in Formula One. Today, helmets represent the pinnacle of technology, featuring a hard outer shell and energy-absorbing inner layers. In 1950, drivers raced using cloth caps and goggles. When helmets became mandatory in 1952, they were roughly made of cork with a polished hard shell, resembling construction helmets. In 1954, American helmet manufacturer Bell revolutionized helmet design by releasing the 500TX model, inspired by military pilots' helmets. The helmet featured a fiberglass shell and polystyrene padding, and it was the first helmet to pass Snell collision tests. This helmet provided protection for the back and sides of the driver's head. In 1966, helmets with integrated visors and a sturdy fiberglass chin section were produced, eliminating the need for goggles. The inner lining was made of fire-resistant fabric. These helmets were used in Formula One starting from the 1968 German Grand Prix. In the 1970s, helmets were equipped with medical air supply tubes to assist drivers in case of fire or toxic gas inhalation. The use of a fireproof fabric skirt around the helmet, as seen on James Hunt's helmet, was also permitted. In the 1980s and 1990s, helmet weight was reduced, chin straps became mandatory, and overall structural improvements were made. By 2001, helmets made of Kevlar composites were replaced by multi-layered carbon fiber outer shells, the same material used in Formula One car chassis. In 2003, the use of the Hans device became mandatory to provide head and neck support. Prior to Hans, Mercedes had experimented with an airbag system, but it was not as effective, so the project was shelved. In 2011, a Xylon strip was added to the top of the visor to prevent accidents like the one Felipe Massa experienced in 2009. In 2019, the overall height of the visor was reduced, and the Xylon strip was replaced with an integrated carbon fiber protective strip, making helmets even safer. Today, 14 different tests are conducted to ensure the safety of helmets. One of these tests simulates the type of accident that Felipe Massa experienced.